services sectors offered to the people of Telangana, and I am also confident that the initial results will be visible within few months. My government has set skill training and vocational education as top priority. To address skill gaps and meet the requirements of Industry 4.0, my government is transferring all government IITs in the state into advanced technology centers, and an estimated project cost of about rupees 2,000 crores. These centers will offer NCVT approved long-term and short-term courses in high-demand trades and will benefit nearly 1 lakh youth of Telangana. Telangana has been meeting its energy needs predominantly through coal. In order to optimize the cost of power, meet the demand profile of the state, and increase the energy share from clean energy, the Telangana government will come up with a comprehensive energy policy to promote all types of green energy. That is solar, wind, hybrid, solar and wind, and as well as storage, pumped or battery, to meet peak requirement. The government aims to improve the share of green energy significantly and reduce carbon emission by 2030. As we gather here to discuss the future trajectory of our beloved state, it is imperative to highlight the immense tourism potential that Telangana possesses. Our state, nestled the heart of India, is not only known for its rich history and vibrant culture, but also boasts a plethora of tourist attractions that can enhance visitors from far and wide. Telangana is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, with historical monuments and structures that tell tales of bygone era, from the majestic Charminar, a symbol of Hyderabad's heritage, to the intricately carved 1,000-pillar temple and Ramappa temple in Warangal. Our state offers a journey through time, showcasing the architectural prowess of our ancestors. The revitalization and preservation of these structures are not only a testament to our commitment to heritage, but also a source of pride for every Telanganite. The vast network of reservoirs in Telangana adds to the scenic beauty and offer recreational opportunities for tourists. Lakes like the Hussain Sagar, Laknavaram and Ramappa are not only sources of water, but also serve as picturesque destinations for boating and relaxation. The government is committed to developing these reservoirs into eco-friendly tourism hubs, promoting sustainable practices and preserving the natural beauty of these water bodies. Telangana is also home to a myriad of temples, each with its unique architectural style and spiritual significance. The renowned Bhadrachalam temple, dedicated to Lord Rama, and the historic Velumalavada temple are just a glimpse of the religious diversity that our state encapsulates. Our commitment to preserving and promoting these sacred sites will not only attract pilgrims, but also appreciate of its art and the architecture. My government will come out with a comprehensive tourist policy for the promotion and preservation of our architectural wonders, culinary delights, reservoirs and temples. The tourist policy will not only boost the economy, but also showcase the true essence of Telangana to the world. I encourage all stakeholders to collaborate in harnessing this tourism potential, ensuring that Telangana becomes a must-visit destination for travelers seeking a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Today, we have turned our back to the river Musi. Our goal is to bring everyone back to the river. The government will be undertaking a large-scale redevelopment of the Musi River front. Musi will once again become a lifeline of Hyderabad, and the entire urban landscape around it will be rejuvenated. The project will have components of transport networks connecting the eastern and the western parts of the city, clean flowing water and the riverfront beautification. The Musi Riverfront project will create people's plazas, pedestrian zones, hawker areas, and green spaces all across the city. It will revitalize old heritage-rich parts of the city and make them more accessible. We are studying national and international models to onboard the best practices and teams to work on this. The Musi Riverfront development project seeks to drive